Dressed in rags, just scooping litter from the cats. I thought we had someone for that, but by the looks of things, you fired the maid again. Yeah, I confess, I know that floor won't clean itself, and you're worried half to death about the things that just won't matter in the end. Take off those shoes, looks like you could really use a glass slipper. Yeah, I know it's been a pisser, so one strong sipper might suffice. Come on girl, I'm begging, please get off your knees. I got the keys and I'll pick you up at midnight in my souped up pumpkin ride. Cause you're my Cinderella, with two birds of a feather. I'll even sing to you a cappella. You're so hella good looking tonight, my Cinderella. Whenever you need some shelter, we can stand under my umbrella together. Need no fortune teller to say it's forever with you. Oh, I know it's forever with you. Don't watch the clock, I paid some dude to